Assalamualaikum beauty friends, welcome to my channel. I am Cahya Rini, study number identity 200310448. I am from 2G accounting class at Polytechnic Harapan Bersama Tegal. Today, I will review the aloe vera gel product from Wardah. So before that, I use this product. Only the packaging is like this. It's more greenish with a picture of aloe vera, which is really cute. And here it looks fresh with a white cup. Anyway, it's really fresh and nice to see. First, I will review the packaging first in general. The packaging is large and contains quite a lot. The front packaging says Wardah Nature Daily Aloe Vera, and there are pictures of aloe vera and aloe vera hydramil multifunction gel, and then light, moist, refreshing with a triple hydrating complex. Then in the back packaging, there is a picture of aloe vera that says cooling, shooting, and moisturizing. And here it is also written that this multifunction gel, it is present for our skin, which varies from dry skin to reddening due to sunlight. And now our skin will fresh and soft with hydramic aloe vera extract to provide a shooting and moisturizing effect. And then triple hydrating complex is a moisturizing blend to provide extra soothing moisture throughout the day without feeling sticky. Besides that, there are also ingredients. The netto is 100 ml. The expired date is 2022 and halal, and also how to use it. Second, I will the gel form. The gel foam is quite dense but not hard. So when used on the face, it will make the face supple. Good for how to use it. I will apply it for my face. First, open the lid. Then spill the aloe vera gel a little on the hand. Then I apply it on the face. When I apply it to the face of the face, there is a feeling of cooling sensation, but it is really a little. Well, then wait 5 minutes for this aloe vera gel to absorb into our skin. This aloe vera gel gives a glowing effect and feel supple. Okay friends, that's all about the Wardah Nature Daily Aloe Vera Gel review. I hope this is usable for beauty friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.